Looking for reliable and affordable moving companies in Tampa, Florida? Whether you're moving locally or across the country, 3 Movers has you covered. With years of experience, our expert movers ensure a smooth and stress-free moving experience. Keep watching to learn more about how we can help with your next move. At 3 Movers, we're committed to making your move as easy as possible. Serving the Tampa area, we provide everything from local to long-distance moving services. No matter the size of your project, whether it's residential, office, or commercial, we are here to help. Concerned about cost? At 3 Movers, we believe in affordable pricing. We offer free estimates, and our pricing is fully transparent, no hidden fees. You'll know exactly what to expect. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to our happy customers. Families and businesses across Tampa trust us with their moving needs. Our clients love our friendly service, professional attitude, and the care we take with every move. Ready to make your move? Contact us today for a free estimate. Whether you're moving locally or long distance, our team is here to help you every step of the way. Call or visit us online to get started.